10 starting positions for the National Championships finals are now set for tomorrow. Frank Trombino, number 31, will start from 5th. He's on the Acme Slate Suzuki GSX-R 600. From 4th position, number 20, Jody Christie, will start on the Accelerated Technologies Honda CBR 600. Now our top 3 include number 34, Kevin Lacombe, on the Coutier Racing BMW 1000. Second spot goes to number 26, Andrew Nelson, on the BMW 1000. And top spot, fast qualifying position for Jordan Zoke, number 101, on the Parts Canada BMW Motorrad Canada sponsored BMW S1000 RR.